The Ugreen Dual Hdmi USB-C hub emerges as a comprehensive solution designed to significantly expand the connectivity options for modern laptops. This 10-in-1 adapter and dock aims to consolidate multiple essential ports into a single, convenient device, catering to the demands of a dynamic workspace. At its core, this Ugreen hub delivers robust performance across several fronts. It features dual HDMI outputs, supporting resolutions up to 8K and 4K, providing ample visual clarity for various display setups. Complementing this, an integrated RJ45 port ensures reliable wired network access, while USB 3.0 ports facilitate high-speed data transfer for peripherals and external storage. Furthermore, the inclusion of 100W power delivery (PD) functionality allows for efficient pass-through charging of the host laptop, maintaining power levels even when numerous devices are connected. Practical applications for this USB-C hub are extensive. It is particularly well-suited for users of MacBook Pro, MacBook Air, and other compatible laptops who require a multi-monitor setup for enhanced productivity. Whether connecting to a corporate network, transferring large files, or powering external drives, the hub streamlines these tasks. It transforms a single USB-C port into a versatile workstation interface, ideal for both office environments and home setups, where peripheral management is key. As a dedicated USB-C hub, adapter, and splitter, the Ugreen device integrates a wide array of functionalities into a single unit. Its design as a dock implies an intention to simplify desktop connectivity, offering a consolidated point for all peripheral and display connections. This integration contributes to a more organized and efficient workspace, reducing the need for multiple individual adapters. In summary, the Ugreen Dual HDMI USB-C hub presents itself as an essential tool for expanding laptop capabilities. By combining dual high-resolution display outputs, stable wired networking, high-speed data transfer, and robust power delivery, it offers a complete connectivity upgrade for compatible devices, effectively transforming a single USB-C port into a powerful workstation hub.